Hello, my family. I just got me a nice gift that I bought myself for my collection. Oh man, I'm still loving this jug. Look at this whimsical guy. There you go, an idea, Christy. Look at this ugly mofo. Okay. Now, I've got a big old box. Big old box. My nice little hot sauces behind me. I love these things. Vampira. I should have gave you that. Or no, Embalmination. Yeah, Vampira. That'd match your tattoo, Christy. But I'm not willing to give that up. Follow me on my epic journey of clowndom. Man, where's everyone at? Everyone asleep? Okay, a lot of bubble wrap. Okay, let's get rid of that bubble wrap. Man, no one on today, huh? Oh, he taped this nice and good. Look at this. Look at this box. This thing's taped. Bear with me. Oh my god. I don't know how to approach this. Who's watching? Huh. Oh my gosh. He or she really. Okay. This is gonna be a doozy. Unboxing video gone wrong. Jeez. Oh gosh. Good time. Something. So I can show you guys something. Okay. It's in a giant container. I was not expecting this. Okay. Oh crap, okay. Here we go, okay. This is the box, finally. It was a lot, okay. My gosh. I'm almost smacking my desk. Hold on. I don't want to hit this desk. And my bows of the clown pillow. Now this is what we came for. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh, you guys ready? Okay, this is gonna be fun. guys are gonna love this. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. For my balloon animals. Oh my gosh, I love it. Dude. Oh, they're like glass or plastic. Oh my gosh, I love it. I got another one. Oh, Christy, you might have a gift coming your way. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Oh, these are so cool. They're like ornaments. Oh, these are so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I bought these. They're like ornaments. I have no idea how old these are. Oh, these are so cool though. Huh. What's up, Sean McPhee? I'm opening up a little gift that I bought myself. A bunch of little clown figurines, bro. Look at these. Like ornaments. Oh, I love these little clown. Oh, no, it has a missing hand. No, it has a missing hand. Oh, I didn't see that. Oh, no. Oh, I love them. Oh, no, dude, that's just the beginning. I got a whole container full of them. Oh, these things are so cool. They're felt on the bottom. Man, these things are probably older than me. If any of you guys have seen these before, or possibly know how old these are, please let me know, because I have no idea. Look at this little guy. His tie is way too long. Oh, this is going to be a long video. Oh my gosh, I can't be any happier today. And these all make sense because I just went for my consultation on my tattoo, and I found out it's going to be 8 hours. It's going to be fun. Dang, let me push some of this now. What's this? Oh, what's this guy? Whoa. Nice. You can hang him. What's up, Kevin? No, that's so cool. Where should I hang him, guys? That's hilarious. Got some more ones. Oh, these are the tiny ones. Looks like a little clown gingerbread man. almost looks like Lou Jacobs. How you doing, Kevin? Nice for you to pop into my clowndom. Clown juggling a ball on his feet. Love it. Oh my gosh. People are gonna hate my house. Alexandria, I can't wait for you to see this. You're gonna love these. Even this is a little mouse. It's a clown mouse. Oh no. This one actually has fuzzy hair. Oh, I'm so happy right now. Oh, I love them. All these figurines. Now, I want to show you guys actually one of my favorite things that I've seen. These are one of them. These little guys. I love them. And then I got 2 prints. This print. You guys can see it. There you go. I love it. And this is the other print. I love them. Oberstein? Never heard of them. I'll have to look them up. Love it though. Love it. Thank you guys for joining me as you get to see my clowndom. Enjoy all the clownness. And I can't wait for more. Stay tuned, guys, and keep watching my unboxings. Love y'all.